Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to know about the exception handling because in your life you have find many time exceptions like in physics, chemistry, math and many where you have find exception in some person are also exceptions we have seen. So how you will put them in exception means why we are using this. Basically you need to know that whenever you will put exceptions it will throw error to you, okay, but whenever you will go for the exception handling, error will go to the handle by the exception handling and your program will get executed, okay. So that's why we are using the exception handling. Like if see someone is exception for you, someone is always disturbing for you, but you have decided your target what you have to do, okay. So you are always focusing on target, you are not caring about those exception person what they are saying about you. So this is exception handling. You have focus on target, your focus is handling their exceptions, okay. So here also we will know about, I just try to give the with the real life example, but we will know here also like how we are handling the exception handling, okay. So come to here, like if interview will ask to you what is exception handling, then what will you tell? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle the runtime errors such as the class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, remote exception. So there are the many type of exceptions available, but only we need to know how we can pass them, because on internet you can find, no need to just mug up the things, okay. You can find the things on internet, but you need to know how we can find, how we can write the exceptions. That is the main important, okay. So I told you like you have to handle their exceptions. So how you can handle? So you have doubt, see you have a code block and you have doubt that yeah there may be exceptions. So what will you do? You will put that code block into try, okay, try catch, okay. So put all the code in try, okay, and in catch you have to write the exception, what exception you can get, okay. If possible then write the arithmetic, otherwise you can write simply, you can write exception, no worries, it will throw an exceptions, okay. Now save it and run this one. So you will see like our program get executed here. Line number 11, cannot divide by 0, okay. So cannot divided by 0, we got it here. After getting exception also we got the program execution. If I will remove these things, you will find our program will not get executed, okay. If I will make these things in comment and I will run, our program will not get executed because there is, we cannot divide 10 by 0 and we have not used exception handling. This is the power of exception handling. You can see if you will write exception handling and whatever code block you are writing there, no worries, your program is going to execute, okay. So see, you all know that any integer cannot divided by 0, but after that also your program is getting execute. This is handling exception because we have put our code block in try catch, okay. So that's all for today video. I hope you have understand these things and take care. Bye bye, all the best.